Honda. Here's another video of the dirt bike, the Honda dirt bike, 100 CRF or however you want to call it. And this time, as you can see the muffler right here, the exhaust, it's cold. It's really cold. It's a little bit dirty, but that's the way she goes. And we're back at my friend's house. So yeah, we're going to try to start her up. And as you know, it's cold because I touched the exhaust over there. So my friend's gonna hold the camera, and yeah. It's in neutral, right? So it's a cold start. Yeah, it's a bit cold. Oh, it's too much. Okay, he said there's too much gas, so I'm gonna not touch the gas and see if she'll fire up. Yeah, she fired up, so well, I guess we'll have to put on the choke. Where should she be? I guess she's down here somewhere. I don't know. I put it up, so well, let's try this again. We're gonna try a little half. Okay, ready? This is too much for the guy, eh? Okay, just wait a minute. Let's try this again.
Choke all the way.
We're gonna put half now, because I didn't put it half, I don't think.
Choke all the way, man. Choke all the way.
All the ways up? Or
all the way.
Up?
All the way up.
Okay.
Choke her.
My foot
give her shit.
Because I'm your... So here we go, ready?
A little bit of black smoke going on. Some gas. Some gas.
Okay, we're good.
That was pretty good.
We'll start up once more just to make sure she'll go, I guess. Put half choke, you see that.
Give her gas, give her shit. Give her shit. Give her shit, give her shit. Hold it.
I think it's just backfired.
Backfired.
Okay, we'll try this one.
A little bit of backfiring.
Okay, so she turned up. She started up. It's a bit cold because
How long hasn't it been started for again?
a week. We started up I think a week ago or something like that. Yeah. So I guess you can depend on your Honda. Surely you can. It's a pretty nice bike. So thanks for watching. Yeah, thank you.